and you are welcome on my channel Rajesh Vaid Inspire Nation. Unleash yourself with Rajesh Vaid. First of all, I would pay my sincere gratitude to all of you for your love and appreciations. And guys, this is first time I am coming in front of camera while sharing about me. So I would love to introduce myself as Rajesh Vaid. I am a common man, a bit educated and experienced. I belong to Chandigarh. Even I born and brought up in Chandigarh only. And by profession I am an engineer. And during my professional journey and my personal journey, I have experienced a lot of personal things also and many external factors also which impacted my life. During this journey, one fine day, I have decided to start my own channel where I can share about my wisdom, my feelings, and I found that the social media like YouTube is the right platform to share one's feeling. So let's start today's video. First of all, I would love to remind you, if you haven't subscribed my channel, so first subscribe it. Like it if you like my video, share it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get the information regarding my upcoming videos. And please share comments after seeing my video so that I can have the necessary improvements according to your comments. So let's start today's video. Today I want to speak on a very important topic, which is the need of this era in this scenario when the entire world is being taken over by a virus COVID-19, which is resulting into the loss of jobs also. Small scale businesses are also getting shutdowns. Big corporations are also finding it difficult to run the show. In this scenario, each and every person is going through a very low phase and they are finding themselves depressed due to one or the another reason. In this situation, what is the most important thing one is looking for? As per me, that is the force which can make them to come out of their current situation, that is motivation. But as per my definition or as per my opinion, what I feel, motivation is nothing but a fuel which exists within oneself, which need a spark which can be created by any external source or internal source also. As per me, motivation can be get from anywhere. It depends from person to person. One can get inspired or motivated by seeing a bunch of flowers also, by seeing a beautiful morning also, or I can say by listening to a beautiful song or a light music. As per me, I can also get motivated by seeing a person who is not having legs and still he or she is trying to do his routine works, the mandates. I have been provided with all the body organs by God, but somebody else is not having that, but still he is doing the work. One more thing I would love to discuss with you, that I am not so successful in life yet, but what I feel, to give motivation or to share one's feelings, it is not necessary that one should be very much successful to share his views or her views. Anyone can share. We can't predict whose discussion or whose one point can inspire or motivate one person. So it can get from anywhere. A person who is living in a family, he can get or she can get motivation from his family also. But it is the integral part of our life today. And everyone is looking for motivation by one way or the other way. But yes, necessary. Because without it, our life can be ended in a second also. If there is no motivation, no internal push to do something. So simply I can say, a motivation is a fuel which drives a person. And I am a big dreamer. I believe in dreams. I believe in motivation. But motivation can stay for a while, for few minutes, for 1 hour. And it can stay for long. If it's a true motivation, it is based upon fact, or it is based upon an internal spark which one person is getting from any activity surrounding him or her. For me, there are n number of examples of motivation from where I can get the motivation. You must have seen that even a tiny creature like ant, I can get motivation from there also. Anyone else can also. When a tiny ant climbs the wall while carrying their food, she fails n number of times, but never give up. She try again. She get up again. From there, one can get the motivation. If I talk about, there are many people you can see outside. They are not having perfect legs, but still they participate and wins so many games in all the athletic meets. If one want to have the motivation, see those people who are not having perfect physique, but still they are the great, I would say greatest motivation point for people like you and me. See, if you are feeling demotivated, I would suggest you to visit your nearby hospital. There you will come to know the reality. That yours and my pain is far much lesser than those who are struggling on the emergency bed or inside the ICU. Pay thanks to God that you and me are getting the abundance of oxygen, water, and sunlight, which are the bare minimum requirement to have a good life. Pay thanks to God that you are breathing fresh air. Because these days, you are aware that everyone has to pay for that oxygen also, that water also, and for vitamin D medicines. So be grateful to God for the life, whatever you get. Is it less motivation? Another example I love to explain, because I personally feel so much motivated by talking that person who is very renowned. Basically, you must have heard regarding Arunima Sinha. She is the proud Indian lady, proud Indian girl. She has conquered many renowned peaks, hills of the world, including Mount Everest. For your kind information, she has done these victories over so many peaks in the world without legs. She is using the prosthetic legs. So I'm personally feeling, and I used to get goosebumps while talking about her, because she is the true example of motivation, inspiration to youth. So motivation can be get from anywhere. It depends upon you. You want to get motivated or you want to be in that same situation of depression which is in your surroundings. Surroundings can depress you. Surroundings can make you cheer up. It's you who have to decide. So be happy, be safe, and feel motivated. Stay safe at home and take care of yourself and your elders. Thanks for watching my video. Like it, share it, and please share your comments so that I can have the necessary improvements. Don't forget to press bell icon. See you in my next video. Be careful and do something great.